We have a new project we're going to be doing here shortly, hopefully. Copper gutters, fascia, white bottom, single bead. We are at Tom's Fish and Chips over, what is this? Seaside?
Cannon Beach, Oregon.
Cannon Beach, Oregon.
Yes.
Check this place out. Look at this beautiful. I'm going to attempt to eat it all by myself, but the drone footage you're about to see, this is the professional guy. His name is Sean. So come see him at the
Tom's Fish and Chips in Cannon Beach.
Yes, sir. We have the radius gutters. So we can see that we got radius gutters already on here. We're gonna duplicate the radius, probably by using these gutters. We're gonna have round 3-inch downspouts, so we're gonna need reducers. We got gutters everywhere. We got, I don't know what we have in here. Looks like we don't have anything here. This could potentially be on the inside, underneath the roof, so we might have to cut that gutter out and make a flashing out of it. Got another downspout in the radius there. We're gonna walk around clockwise. Here we go. So we had 2 downspouts here. We have a 3rd downspout here. It's gonna go there. We're gonna, ooh, check this out. It's a rock step. I think we were downspout number 4. Flashing looks good. Downspout number 5 right there. More gutters here. Downspout number 6. They're gonna fix the windows. Downspout number 7 goes through the soffit, so right here and right there. That's downspout number 7. We do have a bunch of radiuses on top, and if we walk far, let's see, let me walk this way. There we go. We have a radius on top. This radius right here is gonna have a seam. It's not perfectly round. Let's keep walking. I think we're at downspout 7 or something. It's gonna get a little noisy here in a second. Sorry about that, but we're gonna try to pass them. We got another radius on top over there. We have a downspout and a gutter here. So downspout, gutter. More gutters. And more gutters on top. It's a plastic roof. They do have tie-offs. Nice, cool generator. Super quiet. Anyway, lost count of how many downspouts we need. Well, in any case, we're back to the front. That was some good food over there. Had
yes.
Chips and taco. Chips and taco?
Fish taco.
Fish and chips at Cannon Beach. So weather's fabulous. But yeah, we've been in a short distance, California, Idaho, Washington, all over the coast. We're making stuff happen, meeting new people. It's such a blessed time. Look at that. The ocean in the sky matches my shirt.